Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Valentine's Day slime, so let's get started. So what you need is glue, a gallon of glue, and you need baking soda, and you need shaving cream. Well, I have 2 bottles just in case. Red or purple, I'm going to use one of them. Food dye. Last but not least, contact lens solution. So let's get started. So, oh, and also I can't forget this, a spoon and a bowl. So yeah, so I'm going to add a glue, I'm going to add a lot. I'm going to add a lot. So, take a pinch of baking soda and just add it in there. I know like every once in a while I would make slime, but yeah, I'm going to do it every once in a while, yeah. Or maybe once a month. I'll have to think about it. So just stir the bowl. Just stir the glue. And then it should look like this. I don't want this to fall, so I'm gonna take this shaving cream and put it in here. I add a lot or a little sometimes. The reason why I have these things on here is because I want it to stay. Okay, it should be looking like this. I know you probably can't see because I'm scared to spill the thing, but yeah. Basically, Valentine's Day is more like pink, so I'm going to use this. I don't have a lot, but it's fine. That's good. I have a little bit left. I'm going to mix this up now. It might look light. I wish I would have had more, but I used them. But I'm gonna have mine pink, so yeah. Alright, should be this. Looking like. So I'm gonna use contact lens solution activator now. Add a little bit, but not too much, because I do that a lot. And now it'll look like this. I'm trying not to do too much. Ooh, it's so sticky. I'm really excited for Valentine's Day. And shout out to this teacher that watches my channel that is in my school, and she's the lunch lady, Mrs. Smith. Shout out to Mrs. Smith. Oh. I'm crazy. That should be good. So now I'm gonna play with the slime. So nice and stretchy. Oh wow, this is like really good slime I made. And Valentine's Day is like in a week. 1 week. 7 days. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today on Natalie's Incredible Life. Comment down below if you're excited for Valentine's Day. And yeah, because I really am, actually. So, yeah, bye, stay incredible.